Chiang Mai gears up for 3 major events in the second half of the year. Chiang Mai Province is preparing to host 3 major events in the latter half of 2025, aimed at boosting the local economy and ensuring continued growth. July 2nd, 2025, at Maya Lifestyle Shopping Center in Chiang Mai, Mr. Weerapong Ritrod, Deputy Governor of Chiang Mai, joined Mr. Supamit Kijjapipat, President of the Chiang Mai Tourism Business Association, Mr. Itthirat Sinarak, Director of the Chiang Mai Office of Tourism and Sports, Ms. Kanokrat Yuktirat, Chiang Mai Provincial Commercial Officer, Ms. Chatchanok Thongsamrit, Deputy Director of TAT Chiang Mai Office, and Mr. Anan Panyawi, Vice Chairman of the Chiang Mai Islamic Committee, to announce 3 upcoming events: Chiang Mai Grand Sale 2025, Lanna Expo 2025, Chiang Mai Halal Food Festival 2025, Chiang Mai Grand Sale 2025. This key campaign aims to stimulate tourism during the rainy season. Taking place from July 15th to September 30th, 2025, the event is organized through cooperation among government agencies, private sectors, tourism associations, and local businesses. It will offer exclusive deals and discounts on flights, hotels, restaurants, spas, car rentals, shopping malls, sports facilities, and tourist attractions to encourage both Thai and international travelers to visit Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai Halal Food Festival 2025. Held from July 1st to 31st, 2025, this festival is now in its 3rd consecutive year. It promotes standard certified halal food establishments in Chiang Mai to both domestic and international Muslim tourists. Through various media campaigns, the event aims to highlight the city's rich diversity in halal cuisine. Lanna Expo 2025. Scheduled from July 22nd to 28th, 2025, Lanna Expo showcases the identity, heritage, and creative economy of northern Thailand. It goes beyond a product exhibition and serves as a strategic platform for collaboration between the production, service, and tourism sectors, emphasizing development rooted in culture, local wisdom, and traditional lifestyles. This year, the Chiang Mai Tourism Business Association will feature local entrepreneurs from 6 upper northern provinces: Chiang Mai, Lamphun, Lampong, Phao, Mae Hong Son, and Chiang Rai, under the theme Authentic North, elevating local to global. Highlights include Roy Jai Rak Project, Mae AI District, Chiang Mai, Grandpa's Ladle, Wing District, Phao, Panas Pineapple Fiber Textiles, Chiang Kong District, Chiang Rai. Mr. Weerapong Ritrod, Deputy Governor of Chiang Mai, stated that the local economy remains strong, with over 20,000 tourists visiting daily. However, the province continues to drive economic stimulation efforts, supported by government tourism initiatives. He expressed optimism that the green season will further energize Chiang Mai's economy and emphasized that all sectors are fully prepared to welcome visitors year-round.